I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy custard. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, half a cup of sugar, and 4 large egg yolks. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic, comforting flavor. Having your ingredients at room temperature helps them combine smoothly. You'll also need a medium saucepan and a whisk to get started on this delicious journey. Now let's perfect the mix. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar until they become a pale yellow and slightly thickened. Meanwhile, gently heat the milk in your saucepan over medium-low heat. Watch it carefully. You want it warm, not boiling, so remove it just as small bubbles appear around the edges. This next step is crucial. Slowly pour a small amount of warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. To achieve that perfect creaminess, pour the tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining warm milk. Continue cooking over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon. This gentle, continuous stirring is key to preventing lumps and ensuring even cooking. Keep cooking until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon. Remember, never let it boil, or your custard might curdle and lose its silky texture. Once your custard is perfectly thickened, strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This step ensures an incredibly smooth, lump-free texture. Cover the surface of the custard directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming as it cools. Refrigerate for at least 3 hours, or until it's thoroughly chilled. Serve this delightful, creamy custard on its own, or pair it with fresh berries or your favorite cookies for a wonderful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.